Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add music to Facebook post. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, click on plus icon, tap on post. Okay, then choose on photos, scroll down. Okay, click on next and tap on okay, click on edit option, then tap on music, just click, and to show your all music lyrics, just tap on any music to add music to Facebook post. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.